Good day mga ka-crown! Your pageant tita, Tita Ella. Today we have Teresita Sen, Winwin Marquez. She made a history as the first Filipina and Asian to win the Reina Hispano-Americana title in 2017. Can she make another history again as the first mom to be crowned as MUPH? Definitely. Super laki ng chance. Matagal man siyang nawala sa pageant world because nag-focus siya sa kanyang family and sa pagiging mom, sobrang pinaghandaan nila itong pageant na to. Kahit siguro tomorrow na yung maging finals is kayang makipagbardagulan ni Winwin sa ibang veterana natin at sa mga newcomers. With that beautiful body, iba din talaga yung naging discipline and training for you to achieve that. Everyone knew na ang color green is a very remarkable color for her. But we wanted to see her in a different color so we can separate her from her previous pageant. We are expecting na sana yung team niya can come up with something new na maibibigay sa atin. Pasarela, wala akong masasabi kasi iba rin ang hampas at pitik ng balakang ng Winwin. Kita niyo naman kung paano siya nakipagsabayan during her Binibining Pilipinas stint with Pia Wurzbach. Q&A, nakita naman natin kung paano bumula ang bibig during her international pageant. Talaga siya sa mga pinakakaabangan sa finals. Nakikita ko siya sa top 3 contenders. So, to Winwin, good luck and hoping for the best result. Thank you, your pageant, Tita Ella.